Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Chantel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a simple, quick chicken vegetable soup. And in this part, you can see that I'm taking the chicken out. I simmered a whole chicken and for approximately an hour, and I seasoned the water as well with some salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, and you'll see in a second how tender this chicken was. A bone just completely fell off one of the meat. And afterwards, I'm going to properly strain it, make sure that there's no bones. Now I'm peeling potatoes. I'm going to fast forward this part. I actually did 3 potatoes. You don't have to put potatoes in, but I like the potatoes. I love how it absorbs the broth and how tender they are when you boil them. Now you can see here, I just diced them up real small, little cube size. Now you can see that I'm going to be chopping up some celery stalks. I have 3 celery stalks here. Chop them up however thin, thick, however you want to. And now for the chicken. I'm going to take all the skin off. I don't want that in the soup. And of course, all off the bone. And after, I'm going to shred it. Look at this little girl onto my side here, waiting patiently for scraps to fall on the floor. She was so patient, so good. No barking, nothing. Please make sure you don't give any chicken bones to your dogs, please. They can choke on that.
Really? What, baby?
All right, now for the fun stuff, shredding it. And I'm gonna shred everything, put it in the bowl with the chopped up vegetables, and just to make sure that there is no bones. And believe it or not, I did find a bone in there. Yep, there's the bone. I can't believe how patiently she was waiting for this good stuff. Now let's add all that shredded chicken and the vegetables in the broth. And yes, everybody, I cheated. I used frozen peas and carrots. You can use them. There's nothing wrong with that. It was just as tasty. Trust me. I'm going to add just a little bit of cayenne pepper, just to give it a little spice. After I give it a good mix, I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm going to let that simmer on just a low heat for at least 45 minutes to get those flavors all the way through. While the soup was simmering on low, I cooked some noodles and added that to the soup. Let me tell you, these flavors were so good. It was so wholesome. That cayenne just kicks it just a little bit in the back of the throat. So I hope you try it. Don't forget to subscribe and get that notification bell going, guys, so that way you know when my next video comes out. Thanks for watching, everybody.